Hello everyone. In the first episode, we understood what an idea truly means. In the second episode, we learned how business ideas are born. Now comes the most important question: how do you organize, evaluate, and build a business idea correctly? Business having idea is not enough. What matters is knowing which idea is worth pursuing and how to structure it. Today, I am going to share with you the business ideas blueprint. This blueprint will help you avoid bad ideas, reduce risk, save time, think clearly, move with confidence. This episode is about structure, not emotion. Welcome back to SSverse, your one-stop solution for smart learning, smart earning, and smart living. My name is Shahbaz Sultani. Let's enjoy the show. Session 1. Why most ideas fail without a blueprint? Most people fail not because their ideas are bad, but because their thinking is unstructured. They jump from idea to idea. They chase excitement instead of clarity. They start without understanding the fundamentals. A blueprint creates order. Order creates confidence. Confidence creates execution. Without a blueprint, effort becomes wasted energy. Session 2. The core foundation of every business idea. Every strong business idea must answer three basic questions. What problem am I solving? Whom am I solving it for? Why will they choose my solution? If even one of these is unclear, the idea is weak. Clarity is more powerful than creativity. Session 3. Step 1 of the blueprint. Problem clarity. The first step is defining the problem clearly. A vague problem creates a weak business. You must be able to describe the problem in one simple sentence. If you cannot explain the problem clearly, you do not understand it deeply enough. Strong businesses start with precise problem definitions. Session 4. Step 2. Identifying the target person. Every business serves a specific person. Trying to serve everyone leads to serving no one. You must know who is facing this problem, how often they face it, how serious the problem is for them. The clearer the customer, the stronger the business idea. Session 5. Step 3. Solution simplicity. Good solutions are simple. Complex solutions confuse customers. Simple solutions create trust. Ask yourself, can this solution be explained easily? Can a customer understand it quickly? Can it be used without effort? Simplicity is a competitive advantage. Session 6. Step 4. Existing alternatives. Every problem already has some solution. Your job is not to create something new, but to do something better. Study current solutions, their weaknesses, customer complaints. Improvement creates opportunity. Session 7. Step 5. Value differentiation. Why should someone choose you instead of others? Your difference could be speed, quality, price, convenience, trust, experience. If there is no clear difference, there is no strong reason to exist. Session 8. Step 6. Demand validation. An idea without demand is only imagination. You must confirm. People want this solution. People are already paying for something similar. The problem is not temporary demand turns idea into businesses. Session 9. Step 7. Willingness to pay. Not every problem creates a business. Some problems are annoying, but people will not pay to solve them. Ask clearly. Will people pay for this? How much will they pay? How often will they pay? Money reveals seriousness. Session 10. Step 8. Feasibility and skills. Session 10. Step 8. Feasibility and skills. A good idea must match reality. Ask yourself, can I execute this? Do I have the skills or access to them? Can I start small? Big ideas without execution ability create frustration. Session 11. Step 9. Scale potential. Some businesses remain small by nature. Some ideas can grow into systems. Ask, can this expand? Can this be repeated? Can this be automated, delegated? Empires are built through systems, not effort. Session 12. Step 10. Time and patience test. A real business takes time. If an idea requires instant success, it is not a business, it is a gamble. Strong ideas survive patience. If you are willing to stay committed for years, you are thinking correctly. Session 13. filtering bad ideas using the blueprint. An idea that fails multiple steps is not a failure, it is a lesson. Filtering ideas saves energy. Discarding bad ideas early is intelligence. Not every idea deserves execution. Session 14, Emotion versus Structure. Most people fall in love with ideas emotionally. Business requires emotional control. The blueprint protects you from ego, overconfidence, excitement based decisions. Structure creates stability. Session 15, Building clarity before action. Before taking action, write everything down. A clear written idea is stronger than a vague thought. Clarity removes fear. Clarity creates direction. Session 16, Why this blueprint works. This blueprint works because it is logical. It is reduces risk. It aligns thinking with reality. Successful business are not random. They are structured responses to real problems. Session 17, Final message. Think before you build. Ideas are seeds. Blueprints decide whether the seed grows into a tree or dies early. Think carefully, plan patiently, build intelligently. This was episode 3 of Idea to Empire, the business ideas blueprint. In the next episode, we will explore the art of business ideas, how creative thinking and structured thinking work together. If this episode helped you think more clearly, like this video, subscribe to SS Words and comment I am learning to thinking in systems. This is Shahbaz Sultani and we continue building step by step. See you in the next one.